Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadia Maor, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I'm cutting my hair at home. So I did it already a couple times. This technique was told by a singer who is really famous in Russia, and her mom, she used to do haircuts, so she taught her daughter to do this haircut. So first we will need to make my hair wet. So I have this thing with water. Then I need something like this brush. And then I have one scissors. And I had some more another scissors. Just 1 second. Well, I guess I lost another scissors. So I just have one scissors. So, and also I'm gonna need this, how it's called, tie hairband, and that's it. Okay, so first thing first, let's make my hair wet. I'm just gonna spray. Wow, I'm just gonna spray this all over. It doesn't work like I was hoping to, but let's try it. I feel like there's lots of electric stuff around. I don't want to get killed by electricity and water all over me. Okay, so with this positive vibe, I think I'm gonna do it in my bathroom and come back. So now I'm back with my wet hair, and now I need to make it nice and straight without any, how are those called? Yeah, leave in the comments the words that I'm missing, so it doesn't have any problematic areas. So it's absolutely straight. Okay, the ends. After that, we will have to make a ponytail. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make that ponytail. It's gonna be a special one, a little bit different than other ponytails. Okay, so I got this done. Almost. Okay. So now I'm standing, guys, and let me brush a couple more times to make sure that everything is smooth. And now I'm gonna use this hairband to put my hair in ponytail. So I'm gonna put my hand and my head down, and I'm gonna just collect this hair using the brush nicely into, I hope you can see actually, yeah. So like collecting all the hair into ponytail like this. Ah, that's painful though. Okay, so much hair. So after I'm gonna be done with this part, I'm also gonna use another brush on the ponytail to make the hair more smoother, like this. Oh my goodness, painful. So like this. And now I'm taking the scissors and I'm using my fingers to like measure. Let me come closer. As you see, like it's just like this, and you can decide how much you want to cut. So I'm gonna use just a little bit. So I'm gonna put, and I start just cutting like in straight line. Okay, that's it. I got it. Well, I was supposed to cut it like straight. So let me sure and fix if I did it not correctly. Let me see. Okay, so a little bit over, I'm gonna cut like this. And one more time to check it. I'm just cutting this like this. It's easier for me to see, but for you, so I will just trying to make it more straight. Okay, so pretty much it. And now let me put it back. My hair. Okay, that looks crazy. That's basically it. I did my haircut and it looks like have this nice kind of waves. So if you like this one, please give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment. Did you try it or not? Thank you so much for watching. Gives me thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I love you. Bye bye.